PG Permaglass Polymer Sealant. Wash car thoroughly and wipe dry in a shaded area. Shake and pour the PG polymer sealant on a damp applicator sponge. Apply section by section and spread evenly in a circular motion with sufficient pressure. The PG Permaglass polymer sealant can be polished by hand or machine. Allow to dry for 60 to 90 seconds, depending on weather condition. After a chalky haze formed, clean the residue with a dry clean microfiber finishing cloth. Fold to a clean side of the cloth and buff to brilliant shine. Glass smooth shine. Water beading surface.